Troubleshooting Apple Pay, solving error messages.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be addressing a common question. What should you do if you see an error message while trying to view your full card number on Apple Pay? Don't worry, we'll walk you through some simple steps to resolve this issue.
Understanding the problem.
Firstly, it's crucial to understand that due to security and privacy concerns, Apple Pay doesn't display your full card number after you've added it to the wallet. Instead, a device account number or token is shown. This feature protects your real card details from being exposed. However, if you're encountering an error message during this process, it might indicate other issues, such as network errors or issues with your card issuer.
Basic troubleshooting steps.
Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. If you're having network issues, this might be the cause of the error. Additionally, make sure your device's software is up to date. Running outdated software may cause problems with various applications, including Apple Pay.
Contacting your card issuer.
If the basic troubleshooting steps do not resolve your issue, it may be a problem with your card issuer. You can contact your bank or card issuer to confirm whether there's an issue from their end that's causing the error. Remember, some card issuers do not support the Apple Pay service.
Reach out to Apple support.
If none of the previous steps resolve your issue, your next option is to contact Apple support. You can reach them via phone, chat, or visit an Apple store if one is available in your area. They have detailed knowledge about their services and can provide more specific and advanced troubleshooting steps. We hope this guide helps you understand what to do if you encounter an error while trying to view your full card number on Apple Pay. Remember, it's normal not to see your full card number on Apple Pay for security reasons, but any other issues should be addressed by following these steps. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.